This is the end of PvZ.
My friend.
Big Wave Beach. Get the volume ramping. Okay, first of all, that music situation. It's a bug in the game. Zach Scott, you know that YouTuber?
Yeah.
He brought it up and he's having the same exact problem. So it's not the device, it's the game.
Interesting. So there's no way to fix it, you're saying?
No, it's a bug. So Big Wave Beach, here we go. Total of 4 bosses today. 1 in Big Wave Beach and 3 in Modern Day. So let's just get right into
The beach.
it. The beach, here we go.
The beach boss.
I think you'll really like this one.
Possible.
Which is your favorite boss design so far, before you see this one?
I mean, that Arctic one. But the dinosaur one.
Yeah, the dinosaur was amazing. Yo, beach bums, don't flip your lid. But have you noticed that Chompo and Bikini Zombie have been ultra cozy lately? Could a beachside plant zombie romance be in bloom? Speaking of which, how sure are you of Chompo's loyalties? I can't help but notice that plant has the appetite of zombie. Chew on that land lovers, later dudes. Plant zombie romance. Penny, my mind is blown. User Dave, do not jump to any conclusions. I suggest something more productive. Let us jump into action. Uh-oh. Sharks in the water.
I like that already, actually. The shark's trouble?
Yes. I'm scared.
That's the boss?
Yeah.
That's my new favorite.
It's the best.
You're right about that. You're right, I like it.
Alright, so we got lily pad, we got banana launcher. Let's launch these bananas.
Since there's no music, I'll
Okay. Oh, Jaws. Plank through the tangled kelp. All the zombies.
Why you have a tiger shark? It's not big enough to kill that girl.
So you want to see something cool? See how he's like opening his mouth and there's like that little vacuum in there sucking up all the plants?
Oh wait, yeah, I did see that.
If you put a tangle kelp when he's doing it, his machine gets all tangled and he can't use it anymore. So that's
Let's go in a few spots.
well, you can put lower get. Oh no, he wiped out my whole banana launcher. Energy.
Gets out of hand. We're about to lose to the boss. Only one thing to do. Farewell, my dear Farewell, and adieu, lady of Spain.
So we got whole tangles, tangle of the kelps, launch these banana launchers with the ball. Power up.
You have a creature from the Black Lagoon coming up, creatures from the Red Lagoon.
I didn't the Red Lagoon.
3 of them. Now this is the best level. It's the most scariest level for sure. Look how intimidating those red guys are.
Okay, so 2 of them are wiped out.
Those humanoids from the deep. Kill it! Kill it!
Could this be the one where I fell?
Farewell.
A lawnmower has been wiped out.
This is not good. That boss isn't even probably 55%. Maybe 50.
Oh, my lawnmowers are gone.
You've got some serious trouble with this.
Kill that guy before he gets in. He's not dead? Kill it! No, not the lily pad. Kill it! For God's sake, someone kill it!
You can get the red guy.
He's done. The red guy's done.
This is a horde of zombies. We got serious trouble.
He's almost dead. He's almost... Uh-oh. Octopus zombie. He's almost dead. Look at his health. Just launch. Okay, I didn't want to do this, but I have to use a power-up. I had to swipe them all away. I had to. There's no other way. Here, you put it down.
This is really coming down to it, folks. We're down to the wire. We're down to the wire.
He dodged it. He dodged the little power-up I did. All these zombies are tangled up. Planks. What do I do? Banana launcher. Use a power banana. Yes, that saved the day.
10%, I would say. Also 10%, maybe 5. One more big hit.
Which way? Which way is he at? Here. Speed it up. Speed her up. Tangle Chop saved the day.
5%.
Banana launcher. Banana did not help. Look at these purple dudes.
This is gonna be one of the greatest moments in history.
You see? Tangle.
Could it be? We're really up against it. This is the moment of truth.
Look at this. I'm sorry. I don't want to fail. This is the last power up I'm going to use. Banana launcher. No. You killed the banana. I know.
Smile, you son of a gun.
He has no teeth. He has no teeth.
Yeah.
I got a trophy. I got a Soulful Dude trophy. I made it out with 2 lawnmowers. So, we have done it.
A trophy is in the waiting.
What do you gotta say? Playing zombie romance, that's just crazy. And I know a thing or two about crazy.
I love how that shark looks right now. He truly looks dead.
He has like no teeth. I concur. I suspect Dr. Zambos was attempting to slow the seeds of disconnect. Sal, whatever. Sal.
That's crazy.
From now on, we are the only ones sowing seeds around here. Totally bogus.
Totally bogus.
Little do you know what I have in store for you. The seeds of destruction have been planted. Brace yourselves for a wipeout. But for now, I gotta split, dudes. Catch you dweebs later. He's going away. What about the other sharks in the water? The realistic ones, not the robot. What was he called? He got a prize. Big Red Beach Trophy. You defeated Dr. Zambot's creation, the Zombot Sharktronic Sub.
Huh.
Let's open up this trophy here. Or not trophy, a pinata. Where would you like to tap it, Zach?
On that curl, that big curl on his head.
Let's see what we got. We got 500 pointers. Got a few two power-ups for the bowling ball, 5 for the guacadile, 2 for the tangle kill, 2 for the banana launcher. No, that's it.
No key lime pie.
No. Where's the pie at, dude?
Where's the pie?
Where's the pie, Chuck?
You promised me key lime pie if I did this video.
I don't have it. Remember, there's still stages to be. Alright,
now the final.
Modern day level 1. Or boss 1.
Boss 1?
3 bosses for modern day. We'll fit them all in one video, so don't worry.
My card can't take this.
Really?
I'm serious.
No.
That Jaws was great.
I love it. That was your favorite boss. Was it?
Yeah, that was the definitely favorite fight.
Yeah.
You had one other close one. When the
Neon
music
mixtape tour.
When the music wasn't working, we were like, "Are we gonna have to do this again?" And
Yeah.
then we're like, "Nah, that was too good of a fight."
Yeah. I'm in the Wild West again for some reason. It is presently a moment of your purpose.
Wild West.
Your reckless pursuit of an already eaten taco has shadowed all of time.
Taco.
It falls to me to restore future, now and past. Can it be true, user Dave? Has our quest ruptured the timeline itself? Allow me to address your concern thusly. Ahem. Taco!
Yeah.
There we go. Alright, so what boss? Is it the Wild... It's the Wild West boss again, so this will be easy.
Nope.
I hope. 3 waves.
I love the buffalo on the back.
Wait a minute. We got far future plans instead of Wild West plans.
This is interesting. Time travel. Hopping.
Yo, this... Wait, hold on.
Ready.
Wipe that out. Oh yeah, Super Bowl. Oh, he dodged it. This is actually really hard. I'm not gonna all my runways are pretty much gone. Look at this. This could be the first for me. I really hope it's I got coins. Chickens! Yes. Electric Avenue time. Do some really hardcore damage on this guy. Yes, look. Oh, I'm coming back. I'm making a comeback. Up here. Look how close it is. They got in and killed me.
One little chicken, ladies and gentlemen.
The zombies have eaten your brain.
Well, we failed, so you're not going to ever get to see those 3 zombie bosses because the zombies ate your brain, so it's all over. I'm going to have to throw this phone away now.
No.
Come on. No, we got to do it.
Do it for Johnny, man.
Do it for Johnny. So what if we're greasers? We can handle this game. Do you think because you're a soch, you can play this game better than us?
Wait, hold on. I'm in the ancient Egypt.
Let's skip ahead.
I'm not ahead. I'm still on the same level. See? I was day 32.
We're confused.
But this time I have Pirate Seas ones instead of. Well, this time chickens will be on, so this will be easy. And I got bombs, so this will be mad easy.
Alright, and then we still have 2 more bosses to do?
Yes, I think. I'm not sure. Oops. Okay, so far this is actually pretty. That is true. Oh, I got an idea, watch this. I'm gonna blow all these guys up. As soon as it relocates. Watch this, you ready? 3 Peter power up. Plus coconut candy. Wipe down the whole row.
He's done.
Now what? Yeah, you're done. I'm sorry, Rob. You are done eating this. Boom. Boom. Cherry bomb. Bomb. He's done! It's here! Oh yeah. I got a present. Yeah, no eating here tonight. No eating here tonight. I didn't even use a power up.
Good job.
We're on a diet. No, I'm not. Fight Dr. Zombots. 2 levels of me. Uh-oh. Fools, do you not value the validity of time? Care you not if one moment follows another. Moron. It's not a pot. It's a handled bassoon. Bassoon. I am concerned, User Dave. What if he speaks the truth? I'm too taco-addled to KO. Penny, forward! I got a new costume.
Okay.
I got a new costume for my melon pulse.
Nice. So now, theoretically, it should be 2.
2 more bosses.
And it could be any...
Any of them. Jurassic, Wild West.
I think we've got problems.
Because it could be any. I failed the Wild West one for level 31. Uh-oh, look where I am again.
Oh, this shark was tough the first time. Now it's going to be even harder.
Let's just skip the dialogue. Because I don't care. Oh no, what plants will I have though? Like what plants will I have?
You gotta have lily pads.
Yeah.
Cattails.
Cattails don't exist. Oh, I have frostbite caves. Look. I have frostbite caves.
Oh wait, all the caves are the plants.
Yeah.
Is that good or bad?
That's good. Look, here's the rutabaga right there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, shrinking violet. Stunning.
What happened?
No, he's not dead yet. Oh, he ducked under, yeah.
This is exciting.
I love it. Oh, did you notice that little tiny sharks come up from the water and eat your plants?
Oh no.
Like real life sharks too, not the
Surfers are always terrible.
Here, get a Rutabaga. Rutabaga time. Rutabaga time. Rutabaga time. Rutabaga time. That's gonna be a new song. I can feel it. Rutabaga time. Rutabaga time.
Rutabaga.
Rutabaga.
Or is it called rutabaga?
I don't know.
Eat your rutabaga. You know how rare that stuff is?
Oh look, did you see the selfie right there? Oh no. Uh-oh, go.
I am the Gorgon.
Here, use the shrinking violet to shrink the guy. No, it didn't reach gargantuan.
When my little kid gets to ride him, how happy he must be to finally be caught. I'm not an imp anymore.
You better not have tangle kelps like in tangled.
Oh, see, that is true. That is true. Bite into a red.
Oh my god! Look how many!
I've got some bad.
Okay, they're gonna get thrown on the top row, but that's fine. Okay, he's 2/4 of the way down. Should be easy to rescue. This is my first defensive movement. I don't have any defense plans. Rutabaga this guy. That completely missed.
Oh.
That completely missed. It hits me. That did some serious damage. Stunning. Woo, I got him. No, I didn't. Where? Top row. Uh-oh. There's an octopus man on the top row. I completely missed with that one. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. Wait. He's not.
Oh no, there's a fraction of his life.
He is!
Thank goodness. We beat you twice within 3 fights. Is that true? Let's see. 1, 2,
I
3,
failed the one. Do we count that?
Yeah, so 4. With twice within 4. But now there's only one boss left.
Here we go. Forget all the dialogue. I don't care about that anymore.
Like, I got some bad news about the last boss, man.
What?
Nobody beats this boss. I know, because it's Tom Brady is the last boss, and the guy doesn't lose. We're done.
He does. We're done.
Cannot beat him.
That's it. YouTube quit. No, I'm joking. 4,000 coins for my present. I deserve 8,000
Yes.
for my hard efforts
Protest.
and work.
Called pop cap. Bottle cap.
Oh, pop cap.
Pop cap.
Final.
There.
Are you ready for the final boss? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's embrace it. First, before we do this, what do you think on this series so far? What's your favorite boss design, least favorite, and in the middle?
I'll go Shark as my favorite.
Yeah. Okay.
And Woolly Mammoth. Because I like the... by the way, do you know, if you could guess what this noise is...
It's something hitting on Zep's head. That's all I'm gonna give.
Yeah, it's hollow, like my head.
Something hollow hitting on Zep's head, and he's doing it himself. Alright, so what's your middle favorite boss?
And H2O is contained in the container.
He just gave it away.
I know. Alright, my favorite boss, did you say?
No, your least
Least favorite. That's hard to... Stagecoach, maybe? It's just that I in a coach.
Which one? Oh.
In the west or something.
Oh, yeah. With the bowl on the back?
Yeah.
Now what's your in the middle boss? Like, oh, he's okay.
Well, this boss I had in 87.
No.
When I was working
in the
at
game.
Little Caesars Pizza. I worked at Little Caesars. That boss was a good guy. I actually had good bosses in my life, except for one. This boss at the ground round. This guy, if he's listening, maybe his kids are listening. Your father's a jerk. Ground round, 1991 or 92. Jerk.
Don't reveal his name.
Pompous ass. The guy fired me for having diarrhea.
No, what's his first name? You can reveal his first name.
I don't even remember this jerk's name. But I mean, he was like, "Oh, you can come to work, man." I'm like, "I'm dying. I'm going to the bathroom every 5 minutes. I can't come to work. You can suck it up, man. We need you." The team. He used to go like, "The team." When you're working for someone that says "team," the team needs you, man. That's a fake boss, man. He doesn't care about you.
I love what you called him, a pompous ass. Now, what's your second favorite boss, like in the middle for this game?
Probably at the Funny Bone Comedy Club, I had a good boss. No, I'm just kidding.
No, what was it?
Like, I can't remember one. I don't know this game well enough.
The dragon, maybe?
The dragon wasn't bad. The dragon was.
The dinosaur.
The dragon was a letdown. I expected, like, these big things of fire. The dragon was a letdown. That might be my least favorite boss, actually. Medieval. Yeah. I thought because it was called the Dark Ages. I thought because it was called the Dark Ages, it would be the best boss.
What do you think of the Far Future guy?
The Far Future guy. He was okay. I mean, like a robotic. Yeah. But I mean, are we like? Did like the studio say like? Did YouTube say like stretch the video?
No.
That's what they do on the news. Stretch. We need more time. Stretch. So we're like, so then whenever you see your local news people start talking about something that has nothing to do with like
the topic.
Yeah, like that means they're told like you got like extra 3 minutes, stretch it. Yeah. And then they just start talking about like, what would be a good weekend to cook out.
Yeah.
That means they're just stretching the news.
I know. Alright, so you ready?
Yes.
Let's just jump into it. Okay.
Yes, let's jump into it. Speaking of jumping into it, I worked at a pool when I was 15 I thought I was going to be a lifeguard, and they like made me clean toilets.
Oh, wait. Oh, really?
Yes.
Ew. Wait, we're on the Lost City. Do you remember the Lost City guy?
Yes.
He was on the bungee or whatever. He was hanging from these strings.
Oh, okay, yeah. Is it?
No. Do you remember him then? Did you like it?
Oh, wait,
him?
I like that boss a lot, actually.
So is he like your second favorite?
Second or third. Let's make a separate video ranking the boss.
Okay, so we got the Lost City boss fight with Neon Mission 4. This could go one way or the other. I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna take you one way. I'm gonna find you. Uh-oh. That works out. I do like definitely.
How about peanut butter and raisins?
I'm not a fan of the blue of the cheese.
You know Mardi Gras is coming up?
Oh, really?
Yes, we're going to have jambalaya for dinner.
Oh, yeah?
Rice, smoked sausage.
That actually sounds... Oh, I'll try it. Jambalaya. Okay.
What are these 3 meals would you eat? Chicken filet gumbo, shrimp etouffee.
Okay, that's a no.
Or shrimp po' boy.
What was the first one?
Chicken filet gumbo.
No, the third one.
Shrimp etouffee.
Yes, that sounds the best.
It's in like a red tomato sauce.
Ew, no, what's the second one?
Shrimp po' boy.
What's that?
Po' boy. Fried shrimp on a sandwich roll.
Okay, yes, give me that.
I know that's something you'd like.
Okay, I need to get the music cut out.
Oh, just did. So the other music didn't cut out, or did this?
Maybe it did. I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah.
I was too into the boss.
Look at all these mushrooms. I think you're in good shape here, except when those planes drop the paratroopers.
Those guys are my least favorite zombie in the Lost City map.
Yeah.
Here, use a plant food, yes. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, he's 1/4 of the way down. They're giving me the most spore shrooms right now, which is good and good. My entire map is filled out right now of plants, and that's good. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, yeah, the music's cut out, so make some music, Zip. Oh wait, oh yes, grab that. This is in my video of how much I make on YouTube. Do you guys know what that is? That was in my how much do I make on YouTube video. You should go check that out. That was in the beginning of that video. I think you should really go check that video out.
True.
Kumbalaya. Maracas.
Yeah.
Make some maraca music. Okay, my plants are starting to get destroyed here.
Uh-oh. I'm surprised that boss is still hanging tough. We've kind of been casually talking during this whole boss fight. There's a lot at risk. It's the third and final boss.
He's 2/4 of the way down. He's almost done. Now things are gonna get serious. Focus on the bottom row. Uh-oh. Here, dig that up. Put that there. Dig that up. Put that there. Fat bait, put that back there. Force room right there. Celery stalker. He's almost dead. He's almost done. Yes. Uh-oh. Kumbaya. I just said kumbaya.
Kumbaya.
Yeah, dig that up. Put that in there. Boom, boom.
But you're going to have to refresh my memory here on your videos, right?
Yeah.
Did you ever do Dead by Daylight video?
No.
You got to try one just in case you get lucky and get a
All
four
four.
for Dead by Daylight. Maybe Blake will do a video of that.
I did PvZ 2 Golden Morpheus, so I might do Dead by Daylight.
Yeah, I mean, just one video just to see how it goes.
Yeah, that sounds good. We might do that.
Later on today, you might be seeing this. 2 number 9s, a number 9 lodge.
If we get to that mission, because
Yeah,
we probably will.
I think we will.
Alright, dig up a celery stalker and put a fat beat there so I can rock those music beats and wipe out all the... I have no lawnmower.
I don't even see the boss. Oh, there it is. Zombots, you're going down. And since there never was a 3, this means the end of you.
Well, there was a 3, but it got canceled.
They're making too much money off other stuff. Console games.
Yeah.
Yeah, that Red Neighborville game, that doesn't get the best ratings. I mean, there's some... They've added some more, like, single-player stuff to do.
Yeah.
Oh, that boulder's...
It wipes out zombies and plants, so it's a win.
Okay.
So it's a win-lose. It's a lose-win situation.
That's a big crowd of zombies there.
Here,
man.
you know what? Put it right in the middle.
That is a powerful...
You know what?
Except for Buckethead.
Wipe them all out.
Oh, okay.
Now no one is on the map.
Except for these guys.
Dig up the garlic and put you there. Put you. Boom, boom, boom.
That is very quick with your hands. With your left thumb, you click on the plant that's coming up available, and with your right thumb, you click on the game board to place it. So you don't have to take your hand and use it twice.
So I don't have to do like this and that. I just do boom.
Yeah, left and right action.
Oh no, you're getting through.
Oh,
Your
no,
celery stalker. Garlic, put you down there.
Oh, look at his health. It's over soon.
Hopefully.
But your lawnmowers...
They're all gone. There was none to begin with.
This is... you're going to have to just hold out. Hold the fort. And do you have any magic left?
I have coins. That's what I spend them on.
Oh, okay. You might have to use the coins just to win this whole entire thing.
Now look, see how close he is? If the spore shrooms... Okay, that's good. The boulder's coming down and wiping out. Oh, plant food. This is... Wait. Dig you up.
This is it.
Is
the
it?
end of the zombie.
Wait. Yeah! We did it. We did it. Oh, yeah. Oh, a taco with waffle on it. Let's read the final dialogue. David, I implore you. You must give up your hopeless dream of a long ago taco. It's gone forever, but please, in its place, take this. Exclamation. 2 exclamations. A bunch of exclamation points. Is that? It can't be. A taco with a waffle in it. Had to take high levels of deliciousness, user Dave. This is the greatest day of my or anybody else's life. Indeed, perhaps we have misjudged Dr. Zombots all this time.
That's it.
Ha ha ha! Perhaps you have misjudged me, or perhaps not. I surely have no devious plans for the future. Do I?
Or do I?
We shall meet again.
Darth Vader lives. I mean...
What did I win?
Zombots
Taco
lives.
with a waffle in it. You have acquired a taco with a waffle in it. Let's...
A waffle taco. We'd be rich.
Don't steal that idea. Please.
Wait, a waffle with a waffle taco. Ding, 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 ding,
No.
ding, ding, ding. Then we could make a donut stuffed taco.
That's the most disgusting thing ever. Here, you bust open the final piñata.
Right on the cone.
2,000 coins. I deserve that. 2 power-ups for the Nightshade, 2 power-ups for the Grimrose, 2 for the Shadow Shroom, 2 for the Dusklobber, 2 for the Moonflower, and that's it.
Ding, 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 ding.
But...
Taco birthday cake.
That's disgusting. Taco with a waffle in it. You have acquired a taco with a waffle in it. With syrup. Is that it? No, like, end credits?
No award ceremony.
How many arrows was that? How many rolls?
It is true, there's no end credit. Like, you ever play a console game, the end credits are longer than a movie credits.
Yeah.
The end credits of a console game go for like 25 minutes.
Yeah, PvZ 1 had end credits, and the song was amazing. After beating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12, 13, 14,
15,
14 or 15.
14, 15 bosses. And don't forget all the levels that led up to the bosses, and we don't even get any end credits. Boo, 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 I'm sad and mad.
I would expect a gift card.
$100 gift card for PvZ 2 credits.
Yeah. Now, what's this thing at the end mean?
Oh, it's just a little Easter egg. If you tap it, you just create a bolt of energy.
Oh.
Nothing.
I think they were going to have a level right there.
And then, no, see, in modern day, there was a rip in the time thing that led all the zombies from all the eras, like Jurassic Marsh, Dark Ages, Lost City, Ancient Egypt, Pirate Seas. There was a rip in the time thing, and it led all the zombies to my front yard in modern day, and that's what that's supposed to be. So,
unless they made PvZ 3, they could update this game with a link to PvZ 3 right there.
Maybe if you tap it like 10 billion times.
Oh, yeah, I did this funny thing where I was tapping something in a video game, Gears of War 3, and I tapped it 10 times, and it gave me like a hat for a baseball hat for my character to wear.
What was the object?
Like, it was like a statue of this football player, and you kept hitting it, it would talk a different saying. I hit it 10 times, and then it said, would you like to wear this hat front or backwards? And I wore it backwards. You know, people wear a baseball cap. And so my character now has a baseball cap on.
Huh.
Pretty funny, yeah.
Alright, so this is the end of the PvZ2 series. Thank you guys so much for watching this awesome series. If you liked it, comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you guys later tonight with San Andreas. Peace.
Another series bites the dust. Bump, bump,
Bump. Another series bites the dust. Bump, 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 bump.
Hey,
Hey,
I'm gonna get
you
you too. Another series bites the dust.